Bruco, your distribution solution.
Hi everyone, in this video we want to show you how to use the belt loop guide attachment SA223CV on the Brother CV3550 Coverstitch. The belt loop quickly and easily makes belt loops on the machine measuring 11 millimeters in width. Light to medium wet fabric is easiest to work with. Change the presser foot to the clear view presser foot included as an accessory with the Coverstitch machine. Press the black button on the back of the presser foot holder and snap the clear view foot in place. The belt loop guide clicks into the front cover of the machine with the point on the attachment aligning with the arrow on the machine. Cut the fabric in strips of 25 millimeters or 1 inch in width. These strips can be cut straight or on the bias of the fabric. Fold the strip in 3 with each edge measuring 1/4 inch. It is recommended to iron the strips before sewing. Feed the fabric strip into the tape guide with the folded edge on top and wrapping around the left side of the inner tape guide. Wrap the remainder of the tape around the right side of the inner tape guide. Slide the strip through the guide and under the presser foot to the needles. It is recommended to use a wide cover stitch with 2 needles when sewing with the belt loop guide, but it is possible to sew with a triple cover stitch. Continue to start and end with your preferred methods. Please see our Setting Your Machine for Bonbon fabric on the different methods to remove fabric from the machine. Next, we remove the center needle for a wide cover stitch. Continue to sew and guide the fabric strip to be able to sew in the middle of the strip. It might be necessary to adjust the belt loop attachment to be able to guide the strip in the middle of the needles. This attachment can also be used to sew straps for garments or decorative purposes. This machine truly opens up a world of possibilities. Please like, subscribe and follow our channels for more tutorials, tips and videos.